work.
Police in Kikuyu, Kiambu County have arrested a University of Nairobi student who is suspected of stabbing to death a fellow student. The student, Justice Otieno, a learner at the Kikuyu campus, is being held at Kikuyu police station as police finalize investigations into the incident. According to the DCI boss in the area, Omondi Ogola, the suspect is believed to have stabbed a third-year student, Brian Wambui. The autopsy is set to be done on the body of the deceased, lying at the PCEA Thogoto Hospital mortuary.
Move.
We took up the matter. The police and the DCI and the members of the community worked together. The investigations were carried out. We were able to apprehend the suspect. The suspected murder weapon was secured, and today the suspect has been arraigned to court. We are seeking custodial orders so that we can further the investigations. We are yet to establish the motive of the attack, and once the investigations are complete, we will be recommending charges.
Primate researchers are asking stakeholders to